There's the deer right there. That's how close we are right now. All right, it's mushroom hunting o'clock. Sarsaparilla tea. Time to go coral hunting. See you there. I already saw a log of what looked like probably turkey tail way back by the entrance. There's another one. Wow. My legs are sore from yesterday because I hiked like crazy in here. There's a trail that way that I popped out in. There's no one here today because it's Monday. And yesterday was Sunday and everyone was here, imaginable. Well, I just figured out my favorite day to be here. Monday. Perfect. There's the deer right there. That's how close we are right now. I'm probably like 50 feet away. It's so nice in here on a Monday. There's the deer and me are just hanging out, looking at each other. Okay, here's the tree that I got tons of turkey tail off of yesterday. I'm back to it. Oh, there's a chipmunk. This. I'm deep in the woods. Oh, there's the coral right there. I almost missed it. Check these out. Got it. How do I see it? There's 2 more clumps. Do I get that one? What about that one? All right. Success. I'm gonna go back. That's enough for today. Although I'm still looking around just in case I see anything obvious. Wow, that was fun. If you want to go alkaline all in and completely transform your life around, your health around, check out the links in the description. There's a link at the bottom. You can get a hold of me. I'll see you in the next video. Have an amazing day on purpose. Peace.